How to unarchive story on Instagram before 24 hours. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find archive option below saved. Click on archive. You'll find all your stories in here. Simply click on the one you will not find on archive story option, so simply click on save photo. After you've done that, simply delete if you want. After you've deleted, you can add the same story without it being on archive again. This is how to unarchive story on Instagram before 24 hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.